In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a paywall with RevenueCat. So a paywall is an essential component of a subscription-based app, allowing users to upgrade to premium features. So RevenueCat simplifies the process by handling in-app purchases and subscriptions for iOS and Android. So first thing you'll need to do is log in with your credentials, and if you don't have yet an account, you can sign up for free here in RevenueCat. So now let's create a project first. So this will show first when you just newly created your account. So you'll need to create a new project. So we'll name it as Calcifer, and then click this create project. And then after that, so as you can see, it's successfully created. So now we can connect it to our app. So just simply go to the app settings. You can add your iOS or Android app, and then you can integrate store credentials. So if you are using an iOS, you can connect RevenueCat with App Store Connect. And then if you're using a Android, you can set up a Google Play billing in Google Play Console. So before implementing a paywall, so listen carefully. Set your product first in RevenueCat. So in here, as you can see, we have a app name and then the app bundle ID. And so yeah, so now in terms of creating a products in App Store or Google Play, just add in-app purchases or IAPS or subscriptions in your store's developer console, and then use a matching product identifiers in both RevenueCat and the stores. So now to configure offerings in RevenueCat, you can go to the RevenueCat dashboard and click Products, Offerings, and then create a new offerings. For example, is a premium subscription, and then add packages, monthly, yearly, lifetime. It's up to you. So ensure each package ID matches the store product ID. And then after that, to integrate the RevenueCat in your app, you'll need to install the RevenueCat in your project. So if you're using an iOS, you can add RevenueCat via Swift Package Manager. And then for React Native, install the SDK. So then initialize RevenueCat in your app. So after that, now let's fetch the offerings from RevenueCat and display them. And after that, after the fetching process and so on, you can now check if the user has an active subscription. So to restore purchases, you can use the button restore purchases. And yeah, that's it. So you can now test the paywall in sandbox mode before submitting to the App Store or Google Play. And then after that, submit for review. So Apple requires a working paywall before approving in-app purchases. And then after that, you can now monitor revenue and subscription in the RevenueCat dashboard. And that's how you set up a paywall with RevenueCat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.